Guys, today's video is on the top 5 best 4K dash cam for car on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Rove R2-4K PRO dash cam. The Rove R2-4K PRO dash cam provides ultra-high-definition video recording with 2160 pixels resolution at 30 frames per second, giving clear and detailed footage of every journey. It is designed for cars, trucks, buses, and minivans, making it suitable for different vehicle types. The device comes in black color with a windshield mount and a wide 150-degree field of view, allowing a large coverage area of the road. The built-in global positioning system records driving routes, locations, and live speed with compass data on the display, helping to capture accurate travel information. With dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, users can easily pair their smartphones, whether Android or iPhone, through the Rove application. This mobile app allows convenient access to view, download, and share videos directly from the camera, along with receiving free firmware updates. The dash camera includes a high-quality Sony sensor and an advanced lens with 1.5 aperture, which improves low-light performance and enhances visibility during nighttime. The device records smooth videos with features like loop recording, emergency video lock, and time-lapse recording for continuous coverage. It supports a memory card up to 512 GB capacity for long recording storage. The Rove R2-4K PRO also includes a unique 24-hour parking mode that automatically records any motion or impact while the car is parked. If an event occurs, it locks the 1-minute video securely for review. The package includes essential accessories such as a dual universal serial bus car charger, cables, mounts, cleaning pads, and an easy-to-read user manual. The camera is supported by a United States-based team from Chicago, offering reliable customer service and warranty support for peace of mind on every drive. In our list, the number 2 product name is OVAMAN 4K dash cam. The OVAMAN K600 4000 pixel dash cam front and rear captures clear road footage with ultra-high definition quality. It records both front and back views at 4000 pixel and 1080 pixel resolution for full coverage during driving. This dual camera system helps in capturing license plates, traffic signs, and surroundings with accuracy. The camera is designed for different vehicles such as cars, buses, vans, trucks, and recreational vehicles, making it suitable for many users. It has a large 3.59-inch screen that provides a bright and easy-to-read display for viewing recordings directly. The wireless connection through 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows users to connect their smartphones easily using the mobile application for viewing and sharing videos. The system works smoothly on both Android and iPhone devices, letting users control and adjust settings within the app. The built-in global positioning system helps record driving routes, speed, and precise location for safety and proof during travel. Its advanced recording quality offers clear footage even in dim or complex light conditions, improving visibility at night or in tunnels. With a 170-degree front lens and 160-degree rear lens, the dash cam captures a large viewing area around the vehicle for better awareness of surroundings. The parking surveillance system records automatically when movement or impact is detected while the vehicle is stationary, ensuring continuous protection throughout the day. The included 64 GB storage card provides enough space to keep long driving videos safe, while the loop recording system overwrites older files automatically to save space. The OVAMAN K600 4000 pixel dash cam offers reliability, convenience, and wide coverage for safer and smoother travel experiences on every journey. In our list, the number 3 product name is Vantrue Pro 4K Mini Dash Cam. The Vantrue E1 Pro 4000 pixel mini dash camera captures high-quality recordings with clear visual details on every journey. It delivers ultra-high-definition resolution, allowing accurate recording of traffic signs, vehicles, and surroundings. The compact design fits neatly on the windshield, keeping the view clear while maintaining a modern appearance for any vehicle including cars, trucks, buses, minivans, and recreational vehicles. This camera uses advanced technology with a Sony sensor that improves sharpness and reduces glare for smooth, realistic video. Its wide 158-degree field of view ensures a large area is covered, reducing blind spots. The powerful night vision and high dynamic range system allow for brighter and clearer images even in dark or low-light conditions, giving drivers confidence during nighttime travel. The built-in global positioning system records routes, driving speeds, and locations that can be reviewed through the mobile application. The 5 GHz wireless connection makes sharing, downloading, and editing videos simple on a smartphone or computer. Voice control enables hands-free operation, helping drivers stay focused on the road. The buffered parking mode automatically records activity around the car, capturing motion both before and after an event. This provides protection while parked, ensuring that important moments are saved safely. The system supports large memory storage up to 1 TB, allowing hours of uninterrupted recording. The loop recording function replaces older footage automatically to save space without missing any detail. Its strong build with a supercapacitor ensures stable performance even in hot or cold temperatures. The adhesive mount holds firmly on the glass surface for easy installation and long-term use. The Vantrue E1 Pro dash camera offers a dependable recording solution for safer and more secure driving experiences, ensuring every trip is captured in clear, vibrant detail. In our list, the number 4 product name is Wolfbox 4K Mirror Dash Cam. The Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4000-pixel mirror dash camera captures the road ahead and behind with clear and vibrant detail. It provides a wide display that functions as both a mirror and a digital screen, offering a clear view of surroundings for confident driving. The sleek design fits seamlessly on the rearview mirror, giving vehicles a modern and advanced appearance. This camera setup is suitable for various car models and helps drivers stay aware of traffic conditions with a broad viewing angle that minimizes blind spots. The device records in ultra-high definition with front and rear coverage, allowing the capture of accurate details such as road signs, vehicles, and pedestrians. The display gives an extended view that improves safety during lane changes or reversing. Its strong imaging performance maintains clarity even in bright sunlight or dim lighting, ensuring sharp visuals throughout the day and night. The built-in global positioning system tracks driving routes, direction, and speed, making it easier to review travel information. The 5.8 GHz wireless connection lets users connect their smartphones through the Wolfbox mobile application to access videos instantly. Recordings can be viewed, played back, and shared directly from the phone without removing the storage card. The smart split-screen feature displays both front and rear views together, helping monitor the road from every direction. During nighttime driving, the camera adjusts brightness automatically to deliver balanced lighting for clearer visibility. The 24-hour parking surveillance mode keeps the car protected while stationary, recording any movement or impact that happens nearby. The Wolfbox G840S mirror dash camera combines wide coverage, easy operation, and durable design for a safer driving experience. It ensures every moment on the road is captured in crisp 4000-pixel resolution, making it a reliable travel companion for daily use. In our list, the number 5 product name is Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam. The Red Tiger F7N Touch 4000-pixel dash camera records the road with detailed clarity through its dual front and rear lens. It captures high-quality videos that display accurate color and sharp detail, allowing a complete view of the surroundings during travel. The device fits securely on the windshield with a neat and compact design that complements the vehicle's interior. Its wide viewing angle covers a larger area, helping reduce blind spots and improving safety while driving or reversing. The touchscreen provides smooth control for managing settings, playback, and video locking. With easy fingertip operation, users can adjust modes quickly without distraction. Voice command adds extra convenience, letting drivers manage the dash camera hands-free while focusing on the road. The bright 3.18-inch display shows recordings clearly and is easy to read even in daylight. The built-in global positioning system captures driving routes, directions, and speeds for accurate tracking of every journey. With a 5.8 GHz wireless connection, recordings can be shared, saved, and downloaded directly through the Red Tiger mobile application on smartphones. This fast and reliable connectivity keeps drivers connected wherever they go. The camera's advanced night vision and high dynamic range technology maintain brightness and detail even in low light. The emergency sensor detects sudden movements or collisions and saves the video securely to prevent it from being deleted. Continuous loop recording ensures uninterrupted footage by automatically replacing older files when storage becomes full. The parking monitor protects the vehicle when stationary, recording any motion or impact that occurs nearby. The included 128GB memory card offers generous space for long recordings. The Red Tiger F7N Touch Dash camera provides consistent video quality, reliable performance, and all-around monitoring for safe and confident driving every day.